Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to start the timeline timecode from 0 hours instead of 1 hour. As you can see here, my timeline starts at 1 hour and ends at 1 hour and 3 minutes and 30 seconds. But we want to start it from 0 hours. Okay, what you want to do is open your media pool. And in here, scroll down to your timeline. Then right-click it, go to timelines, and then to starting timecode. Just click it, and then you can edit the 1. Oh, no, not like this. And the 1 and replace it with a 0. Then just click OK, and here you go. 0 seconds at the beginning and 3 minutes and 30 seconds at the end. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to set the timeline timecode to 0 hours instead of 1 hour. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.